Hashtag Toolfest 2021. Participate. Grow your channel. If you don't participate, I'll stop loving you. See? Right from the hamster's mouth. Hashtag Toolfest 2021. You can get further information from Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. Good night from California.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. It's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, as you can see, this is Poppy's workshop. And you know what it means when I show you the Poppy's workshop sign. It means we're in the shop. Let me put my computer glasses over here and put on the real world viewing glasses. How about over here? And no. Put you right here. Well, I'm not going to be doing much work in this session out here in the shop, but I'm going to tell you a little story about 2 motors and 4 speed controllers. When I was 17, I got this Dayton 1/15 horse 5,000 RPM motor. It was part of a little buffer. Had a tin shield and 2 tapered screws for the buffing wheels. Right? Well, I subsequently got a Fordham Flex-Aid, which clamped on either of these and took standard Fordham handpieces. I used it for a number of years. Then one day it went to crap. This was the speed controller I was using. It's a Speed Dial Mark II motor speed control for universal AC/DC series DC motors for our nameplate ratings up to 5 amps. Okay. Made by Looptron Electronics, Emmaus, Pennsylvania. And one day the SRC diode in this unit fried. I went to the Radio Shack on Lakeshore Drive here in town, and Bob, the owner of the Radio Shack on Lakeshore Drive, checked it out, said that I'd fried the SRC. Asked me what I was using it for. I told him I got a Dayton 1/15 horse, 5,000 RPM. He walked over to the shelf and picked up one just like this, but not grungy or used. Said, like that? And I said, exactly like that. He checked into stock. He didn't have a 5 amp SRC diode. He got out a 3 amp. Soldered it in place. We tried it on the other motor there. Beautiful. And for a number of years, this speed control And this motor here, that motor there, we're running my flex shaft in my shop. And one day at a yard sale, I didn't need it, but I ran across this, a 10 amp Mark III speed dial. And I bought it. And it hung on the wall for quite a long time. Then one day, the 3 amp went to crap. So I started using the 10 amp. It's going great. And this one went to crap because I was using it on that Dayton 1/15 horse. I think it shorted it out, and that's what fried the SRC diode. Anyway, I was using the 10 amp with my flexible shaft. Okay. Then demonstrating with the Dayton motor and the 10 amp and this abomination. This is a 15 amp speed controller. I saw a couple of other YouTubers using it to control all kinds of other things. And I said, well, I'll get me one of them. I didn't need it yet. Anyway, when I got it, I demonstrated it with the 10 amp, the Dayton motor, and this. And when the next time I came out here to the shop, I hung the 10 amp, and I had no lower end. It was all the way up to full speed. Not a situation I wanted. I want that low end control. So I put this one in the circuit. Nothing at all. Zip. Nada. Zero. So this motor has killed 3 speed controllers. One of them twice, the 10 amp once, and this 15 amp, it didn't get used on anything in anger. Just demonstrating in the computer room. So, I ordered this Fordham 3 amp. It's made for flexible shafts. This is what it's made for. A flexible shaft machine. 2 amps. 3 amps. Now watch this. See how that's going really slow? Now, rig for silent running. Dead slow maneuvering, right? Off. Start. Now if you see, I blackened one half of this screw so you could see it rotating. Oh, this Gorilla Tape is something. See how it's going real slow? Went so fast it got rid of the tape. This Fordham is the speed controller you want for your flex shaft. This Dayton motor gonna get taken apart on camera in the computer room. What's inside? An AC/DC motor. I'm not too sure about those Luteon speed controllers. I mean, I imagine I could get SRC diodes for them. But why? You know? Why should I? I've got the Fordham. Now, a little story. A little story about this Fordham motor speed controller. I ordered it through Walmart.com. And the company that the actual merchandise came from was WireJewelry.com in Ogden, Utah. 2 days, it's Wednesday now. Last Friday, this baby arrived. Last Friday, this baby arrived. 2 days later, Walmart.com sends me an email. Part of your shipment is delayed. 2 days after it arrives, they say it's delayed. And they still haven't charged me for it. This morning I called WireJewelry.com in Ogden and said, hey, they said, there's nothing we can do about it. It's all automatic. I called the bank. The bank said, well, just forget about the $96.14 until they bill it. This is a real pain in the butt. Yeah. As for Walmart.com, it's not on my Walmart card. So, apparently no record of it. Now, I'm too honest to, take this. Oh, I really. So every day, the $96.18 for this motor speed control clears my bank. I can't buy anything. I can't even buy myself a beer. That is a sad series of affairs. I've got 250 $8 spendable, but I can't buy myself a beer. Can you imagine the torment that is? You got the money, but you can't spend it. Okay, now, this morning, I was watching Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop live stream, Wednesday evening live stream. In California, it happens at 3 in the morning. Remember, Emma's in Australia. If you drill a hole straight down through California, it'd come out somewhere near Australia. So they're basically on the other side of the world for me. So evening there is morning here. Now, the reason I mention Emma is for many years she has hosted Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop tool making competition. Not this year. There's still a tool making thing, but it's not a competition. Not this year. It's the hashtag ToolFest 2021. The rules are rather simple. The first and most important one is post your video to hashtag ToolFest 2021 the day before Thanksgiving. Anytime that day. You know, from midnight when it just becomes the 23rd till midnight when it becomes very freaking early Thanksgiving morning. Post your video. You can get further details by going to Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. That's a YouTube channel, by the way. I hope you were able to figure that out without me having to tell you. But just in case, it's a YouTube channel. Go there and she talks about it. Or go to her page, find her email address, and send her an email asking for clarification of the rules. Like I said, I'm going to be participating, even though it's not a competition. And I'm being robbed of 3 years in a row losing. It's probably going to have to be like 2 or 3 years from now. And I'll have to go 3 years running and losing the tool competition. So I can claim the distinction of being a 3-year loser. I was looking forward to it. I was going to have a sign made up. 3-year loser, Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop Tool Making Competition. Why am I participating? Because it's Emma. And she's a friend. And it's a good way to make your channel grow. People who wouldn't see you will see you if you post to hashtag ToolFest 2021. That's hashtag ToolFest 2021. I believe what she wants is for you to show tools you've made for your shop. I've got some things I've made for my shop. I'll show them. And my guess is I'll probably try out a couple of things I've been thinking about and draw pictures of them. That's going to be new, me drawing a picture of something. Here you go, look at that. So, hashtag ToolFest 2021. If you're Machine Nut Dell, check it out. Kimber Zillig, check it out. If you're YouTube creator and you've made even just one little tool, show it. It's a group activity. It'll grow your channel. There are 2 years in a row, last year and the year before when I participated, my channel subscriptions went they went up. Hashtag Toolfest 2021. Participate. You will enjoy. I'm going to go in now and start processing this video. I might add some stuff with hamster. Anyway, good night from California. Stay safe. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask. Socially distance yourself from people and start wearing gloves. It's a nasty world full of filthy people leaving their shitty fingerprints all over the place. And I know you don't want to bring home someone else's shitty fingerprints on your hands, do you? Good night from California.